The United States Senate has voted to confirm Nusrat Choudhury's appointment as the first female Muslim federal judge. Her appointment was confirmed by a 50 to 49 vote. She will serve as a federal judge for the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of New York. This makes her the first Bangladeshi-American federal judge in U.S. history. The confirmation drew praise from the American Civil Liberties Union, where she is the legal director of the ACLU of Illinois. Prior to that post, she had served from 2008 to 2020 at the National ACLU office, including 7 years as Deputy Director of the ACLU Racial Justice Programme. Her work primarily focuses on racial justice, criminal justice, policing, and government surveillance of Muslim communities and national security issues. She was born in Chicago, Illinois in 1976. She earned her B.A. from Columbia University in 1998 and an M.P.A. from Princeton School of Public and International Affairs in 2006. Also in 2006, she graduated with her J.D. from Yale Law School. Between college and law school, she worked as a development associate for Women's Prison Association and Home Incorporation and for Spence-Chapin Services to families and children, both in New York City. After finishing law school, she clerked in New York City. In 2008, she joined the ACLU as a Marvin Fellow. In that role, she supported the ACLU's Racial Justice Programme in a variety of federal constitutional and statutory matters at the trial level, including conducting legal research, preparing and taking depositions, and factual investigations. In 2009, she joined the ACLU's National Security Project as a staff attorney in New York City. In that role, she worked on 8 federal court lawsuits, 1 immigration court lawsuit, and 1 administrative appeal. All her cases involved constitutional rights issues including due process, equal protection, freedom of religion, and protection against unreasonable search and seizure. Additionally, she argued motions before federal district and circuit courts. From 2017 to 18, she was a member of the American Bar Association's section on civil rights and social justice and Presidential Task Force on building public trust in the American justice system. She is a member of the Asian American Bar Association of Great Chicago, the Illinois State Bar Association, and the South Asian Bar Association of Chicago. She also served as the Deputy Director of the ACLU's Racial Justice Programme from 2018 until 2020, after which the Biden administration nominated her to the federal bench in January 2022. Her appointment was consistent with President Joe Biden's pledge to emphasize diversity in background, race, and gender in his judicial nominations. Biden had also appointed the first Muslim judge in U.S. history, U.S. District Judge Zahid Qureshi. The Senate had confirmed him to the New Jersey Federal Trial Court in 2021.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.